Welcome to last week's Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. A beautiful day for the lesson 2 of Xin Yi Quan. Let's go. Quick review the content in lesson 1. Follow me. Zhuan Quan, rotate like a needle. Heng Quan, 力发腰间。炮拳，拳打直线 ，straight line。看招，排山倒海，看 broken the rock。Welcome back to 形意拳。形 is your movement, how your body look like. 意 is spirit, how you're thinking. 以形随意，以意合形，形意合一，天下无敌。Your movement follow your spirit. Your spirit connect with your movement. 形 and 意 united. You are invincible. The first movement, 上挑手 upper pig palm. Your fingers shrink down and go attack with this bone part to attack the chin, the armpit. Also can the bottom part. Let's see the footwork. Step your left, your right hand from down to up. Power. And you step your right, left hand go down and go up. With the power. How to make your upper pig palm strong? Also, you need to make your wrist stronger. The second basics, 双炮拳. Connect with your right elbow. Both hands become the fist. From your waist and rotate. And power out right there. And cross your both hands. Left go up and right hand go down. And elbow. The elbow can attack your stomach, the throat, even your eye. How to make your 双炮拳 faster and stronger? Also, your elbow. Training with me. basic way, 上托掌 upper strike palm. So the first move, you both hand go up and go down from your wrist and power out from the palm. 托掌 strike palm, go upper. So the first move, you cross your hands. This blocking move can be low or can be high. Depends what you go defense yourself. If the punch is coming to lower part, so you can start low and push this away and come back, and you go attack back again. So if someone punches you higher and your palm go up and to block it like this, and you go and power out of this part is attack the chin, especially. See the footwork. Step your left, followed by right. Step your right, followed by left. With your palm, you can go up, come back to waist, quick step. At same time, you follow by the behind leg and your palm. This one, come back, fit together. Go quick step, and follow by with the power. Let's see a small one, and 1, 2, and small one, and 1, 2. That's a training with me for some exercise to make your 上托掌 stronger. The 形意拳 Lesson 2 Tutorial Step by Step. Training with me. Xin Yi Quan, the steps is very important. You step to outside of your opponents or inside. The directions determine how you defend yourself or attack. Also your fist. The fist is the king of basics in all Kung Fu. Put your both hand flat. Make your hand tight. Make your hand flat this way and also this way. So now do some exercise. Put your both hands flat on the floor and move your whole weight to the ground and come back in and to the ground and come back in. Give all pressure to your fist to make your fist solid and strong. Also, you can leave your two legs in higher as chair to make your both hands to be in practice as solid and strong. Down and right hand on 45 up. Then you step your left 45, right hand go down, become upper 托掌. Step your right and left hand under and your left 托掌. So your left 托掌 after. Your both hand make a small circle, come back your waist, become a fist. As soon your left leg fit together and quick step and followed by your right with your power. Your both hand twist and become elbow with her stance. You stand up, the both hand over your head to blocking and step back your right and left. And step your left, your power from down to up. Go. 托掌. Same thing. Open your both hand. Feet together. Step your right. And your power from low and go up. The 托掌. Remember your power out of this part of your palm to the chin. Thank you for watching for the lesson 2 形意拳. There is no requirement for how much you're training, but there's no time to waste. Enjoy the beautiful day with beautiful Kung Fu training. I see you in next video. I love you all and bye bye.